Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your domain to Wix. First, ensure you have access to your domain registrar's account. We will explore two primary methods for linking your domain: updating name servers, which is the most common and straightforward approach, and pointing your domain, which involves modifying specific DNS records. Understanding these options will help you choose the best path for your website. Connecting by name servers is the recommended method for most users. You will first find Wix's specific name server addresses within your Wix account settings. Next, log into your domain registrar, navigate to the DNS or name server management area, and replace any existing name servers with the two provided by Wix. This process typically takes up to 48 hours for the changes to fully propagate across the internet. Connecting by pointing is a more advanced option, allowing you to keep your DNS managed by your domain registrar. You will need to update your domain's record to Wix's specific IP address, which is 185.236.166.166. Additionally, ensure your www CNAME record points to www1. Wixtons. Net. This method requires careful attention to detail to ensure all records are correctly configured. After making your DNS changes, it is essential to verify the connection. Navigate to your Wix dashboard and check the domain status. Remember that DNS propagation can take up to 48 hours, so patience is key. If your domain still isn't connected after this period, double-check your settings or reach out to Wix customer support or your domain registrar for expert assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.